One pink wheel here. This is a 2003 Mazda Protege 5. We're going to be changing the ignition switch out. So what happens is, after some time, it seems you turn your key and nothing happens. No click, no nothing at all. I've been dealing with it for a little while. I could hold the base of the key and it could turn and I could get it on, but the other day when I went to go to work, nothing at all. Second day it seemed to work. It's been working fine since then, but since it failed completely once, I'm going to go ahead and replace it. What we're going to do is, overview here is underneath the, we got to take the cover of the steering wheel off. So this thing here, two pieces. Underneath there are 3 screws we're going to take out, and then that kind of just pulls off, and so does the top pull off. And then we can get at the ignition switch, which is over here, right over on this side. We'll see how it goes. So here's the new ignition switch. It kind of sits up there like this, and the difficulty in getting it out is there's a single screw. Actually, it sits up there probably like this. Is that there's a screw that goes through here, and it's very tight to get at that screw. So a couple different ways. I got a couple different kind of special screwdrivers. So either that one might work, or maybe this one will work, or the other option is come in, we could pop this panel off maybe, and I think we can take a long screwdriver and get to it all the way to here. Don't know. We'll have to see. I'm going to try the stubby ones first and see how that goes. So now that we've got the cover off, we can kind of see what we're dealing with here. So there's the part right there, and the screw is up here. I think unplug this, and then we'll have to probably I don't know if we're gonna unplug that first or not. Get this cable out of the way first.